The capacity to quiet and stabilize your mind is the single most important skill we all need at this moment in history to become the leaders of influence that our businesses and our families need. And when leaders take the time to build the self-confidence of their teams and of their people, people gravitate to that. Let's take a moment and let me guide you through just a very short mindfulness practice. For those of you who've not done it before, it's very, very simple. There's nothing complicated about it at all. We used to think it was sticks or carrots. And Dan comes along and he says, it isn't sticks and carrots that drive behavior. He says, I'll tell you what it is. It's values. Can we look for that greatness in people and draw out their talent and make it dancing in organizations? Thank you very much.